Can bronchiolitis lead to recurrent wheezing in children? Imagine a tiny child struggling to breathe easily during a cold winter. That might be bronchiolitis, a common lung infection in babies caused by viruses like respiratory syncytial virus or rhinovirus. Now, some children who have bronchiolitis may go on to experience wheezing episodes even after they recover. Research shows that about 40% of children around age 3 who had bronchiolitis still have recurrent wheezing. This can last for several years and can be quite concerning for parents. The risk is higher if the child had early wheezing, elevated blood eosinophils, or was infected with rhinovirus. Bronchiolitis is an inflammation of the small airways in the lungs, usually affecting children under 2 years old. It is the leading cause of hospital visits for respiratory issues in this age group. Studies indicate that having bronchiolitis increases the chance of developing recurrent wheezing and even asthma later in childhood. This risk can be 3 times higher than in children who did not have bronchiolitis. The risk is especially notable if the bronchiolitis occurs after the child is 6 months old, and it is true whether the illness was mild or severe enough to need hospitalization. The connection between bronchiolitis and later wheezing is thought to involve both the direct damage caused by the viral infection and a child's underlying tendency for airway hyperreactivity. Viral infections like respiratory syncytial virus and rhinovirus are common triggers for wheezing episodes in infants and young children. Sometimes, recurrent wheezing after bronchiolitis can develop into asthma, but the exact reasons are still being studied. Managing children with recurrent wheezing involves recognizing different patterns of breathing difficulty. Doctors may recommend inhaled corticosteroids to help reduce inflammation and prevent flare-ups. Preventive measures like vaccinations and immune-boosting strategies are also important to lower the chances of future infections that can cause wheezing. In summary, bronchiolitis in early childhood is a well-known risk factor for recurrent wheezing. While many children recover fully, some may experience ongoing breathing issues that requiring medical attention. It's important for parents to work closely with healthcare providers to monitor and manage these symptoms. Always remember that each child's experience is unique, and medical advice tailored to the individual is essential. If your child has had bronchiolitis and continues to wheeze, consulting a healthcare professional can help determine the best course of action to support their respiratory health.